Yo, what's poppin', neighbors? Bro Porn coming at you back with another freaking video on King Q TV, and today we got some wings from Pluckers. I got these two flavors. I forgot what flavors I had got. But before we eat, say grace. Grace got to take my oh man. Yeah, shoot. As you can see, we're finally back from being in Korea. And that's dope. Finally in America. Oh, but before we even eat a wing, to all my new neighbors. Hey! What it do? Boy. No, so I remember now. I got the Dr. Pepper wings and the garlic sriracha. This is the Dr. Pepper wings. Pretty good, pretty good. Been a hot minute. Ain't gonna lie. Doing like a full video. But as of right now, I've just been posting out shorts because those are really easier to record and then also to edit. And they're more, I guess it's like, because sometimes you're trying to do a certain video, whatever, and like things don't go as planned. But with a short, it doesn't really matter what's going on. You can really just let life be life. But these are the that's the thumbnail. That's the other ones. Sriracha ones. But you know, how y'all been? That's different. Pretty good though. Like I said, I've been doing a full video, but I have been doing more shorts. And with doing more shorts, I've been able to do different things that y'all want me to do. I have one of the neighbors we talking about trying the Coca-Cola with the root beer. Not root beer. Coca-Cola with the protein shake. It's actually really, really good. Got a couple more shorts coming out soon from different places. It's like, you can see, like, trending right now. You know, got the Krabby Patty, the Adam Family Meal, Kaiser chicken sandwich, stuff like that. But I'm also gonna be doing I'll also be doing videos of different like foods and drinks. It's stuff that, you know, the neighbors want me to try. Different combinations, so if you have like a food combination you would want me to try, put it in the comments. I would definitely try it. But I don't drink alcohol. Even though I'm of age, I just don't have the taste for it. It's something I don't want, so I'm not going to do it. All in all, though, being in Korea, it's pretty dope. So, very fun experience. Tried a whole bunch of good food. Seen a bunch of great sights. Actually, I need to add that video on my vlog channel, which is down below. Guess I'm gonna put all three of my other two channels, which is my gaming channel also. Okay. Because once I get the laptop that I want, I'm gonna start back streaming again. But when I get the laptop, then I'll be able to stream on YouTube. I know majority of my fan base is on YouTube. I don't really have a fan base on Twitch. So for now, I'm just gonna focus on the YouTube things. Should I already know how to do my channel on this platform and be successful with views and stuff. Boy, but even the gaming channel, y'all got games y'all want me to play? Get my opinion, or not really my opinion, but my playthrough on things. Let me know. On that respectable, channel. On the game channel. I know, for example, me and my brothers, we play like Rocket League, football, or like 2K. Ooh, excuse me. Sometimes I'll be playing Forza, Roblox, a bunch of stuff. But I do plan on starting to have more of my friends I made in Korea. They're stationed here with me in Texas. On the channel more. Get ready for more videos for other people. Definitely when I do go back home, I'm doing a whole bunch of seafood. Because I had some sushi in Korea, but I ain't hit none of the like a seafood boil or anything like that. I ain't tried that. for like two reasons. One, because like I know I'm very picky with my seafood butter sauce. I like how it was done. But then too, it's like I don't know. I didn't really hear that many good reviews. And so, you know, some people could be more picky than I am. So I don't know. But all in all, though, we got the opportunity to go to Korea or anywhere out of the country. Delicious. Boy. Well, oof. I ain't gonna lie to you. This might be it. This is really just a catch-up video where I'm enjoying some good old wings we haven't had nothing good. But yeah. I'm gonna just eat this last one and then wrap it up. Get them fired up. Comment below your protein, blue cheese, and ranch. And then also, what is your favorite type of wing to get? So far, mine is the honey lemon pepper. And then I love blue cheese. Well, both of those fire too. But that's it for another video. And also make sure you check out my social media. So there are ways to contact me.